The FV270 is a new case recently launched by Cougar. It has received consistently high praise from YouTubers. From its unique case design, to the innovative and excellent airflow design, and the detailed interior layout, down to the functionality and installation experience, and its high cost-performance ratio, it's all highly commendable. The bold and innovative design brings a fresh perspective to the otherwise boring case market. In the following video, we'll showcase the various features of the FV270 and demonstrate the case's compatibility. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button without hesitation. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. This is my first time unboxing a Cougar case. As for the packaging, my first impression is very positive. Right upon opening, you can see the accessories placed at the top. The top cushioning material has specially designed grooves. These grooves securely hold the two accessory boxes in place. We even shaped it to match the design of the front glass panel, providing excellent protection for the case during shipping. The Cougar FV270 Starship, as Cougar's latest dual-sided glass Seaview case, features dual glass panels with the triangle design. The front glass panel is curved, creating a three-sided panoramic view. When I removed the top panel, I was really surprised. Wow, why is it so heavy? How can such a simple top panel be so solid? This is genuine material. It's the real deal. The first time I removed the front panel, I took my time, worried about breaking the glass. Since the front panel has no easy grip points, I had to first remove the side glass panel. Then, I applied pressure from this angle and lifted it up. You can see that the front glass panel is not only curved but also crafted with precision. The shape is further enhanced with irregular curved cuts, giving this case a truly unique appearance. I personally really appreciate this fresh approach to design. The angled front panel lifts up, creating plenty of space at the bottom for airflow. With a pillar-less design, the entire interior of the case is fully visible. The motherboard supports all common sizes. By removing the power cable cover, you can even install an EATX motherboard. The case supports GPUs up to 420mm in length. What's special is that the expansion slot bracket can rotate 90 degrees. By removing these 7 screws from the back, you can rotate it. With the included GPU support bracket, you can install the GPU vertically. This showcases the most attractive side of the GPU cooler. I think this clever design deserves special praise. For those who want to mount their GPU vertically, they only need to buy a PCIe riser cable, without needing to purchase a separate vertical GPU bracket or a full kit. The FV270 has a cutout above the power chamber, with a removable panel. The metal plate under the screw is for securing the removable fan frame on the side, preventing it from falling during transport, which could damage the case. What's unique about this case is that the thumb screws are designed with springs. I've never seen this in case design before. If any viewers know the purpose of this design, please leave a comment and let me know. Once the panel is removed, you can easily install fans onto it. It supports to 14 centimeters or to 12 centimeters fans. The front side of the power chamber cleverly includes a mount for a 2.5-inch hard drive. On the other side, there's a removable hard drive cage that supports 1.5-inch or 3.5-inch drive. Once removed, you can install the power supply normally. Additionally, there's a hard drive mount behind the motherboard tray that supports the simultaneous installation of one 3.5-inch and 1.5-inch drive, or 2.5-inch drives. This maximizes the use of space. The hard drive cages are removable, making it easy to install drives and access the CPU cooler backplate. The motherboard tray has a large cutout, so the CPU cooler backplate won't interfere. The best part of having a removable panel above the power chamber is that it makes installing the power supply a breeze. Once the system is fully assembled, you don't have to worry if you need to add extra cables suddenly. And like before where you'd have to remove the power supply to add cables, The GPU power cables can also easily pass through the cable management holes in the power chamber. Next, one of this case's standout features: the angled intake fan at the bottom front. It draws in air from the bottom front of the case, directly channeling fresh cool air to the GPU. The front bottom has an intake filter, which is very easy to remove. There's a large dust filter on the bottom that can be pulled out from the back, filtering air intake at the bottom of the case. This opening provides additional airflow for the fans above the power chamber. After removing the side panel, you can see the bottom of the side panel has a magnetic dust filter. The other side panel also includes a dust filter. FV270 RGB comes with two 14cm RGB fans at the front, and they are reverse blade fans. The center and both sides feature an infinity mirror effect. There's also a 14cm exhaust fan at the back. In total, the case has three 14cm RGB fans with an infinity mirror effect. Additionally, there's an angled RGB fan at the bottom. The price is truly a great value. The angled cable cover next to the front fans is uniquely shaped. It's not just for hiding cables, but Cougar designed it to act as an air guide. With the front angled intake and the curved glass panel with a slant, it directs airflow to the areas that generate heat. The lower half of the cable cover is also a GPU support bracket. You can loosen the screws to adjust it up or down to match the GPU thickness, providing support for longer GPUs. Another major feature of this case is it supports back connect motherboards. You can see these cutouts specifically designed for back connect motherboards. The official specs indicate support for ASUS, MSI, and GIGABYTE back connect motherboards. This keeps all cables, except for the GPU, hidden at the back, making cable management much simpler. As for cable management in the case, Cougar has pre-organized the cables for you. Both the left side and the top come with reusable Velcro straps, making cable management a breeze. There are also two additional Velcro straps on the right side, convenient for organizing the CPU power cables. For the white version, the front I/O cables are completely white, which deserves high praise. Cougar really pays attention to detail. After removing the hard drive mount behind the motherboard, you can see an integrated fan hub. It supports up to 6 fans and 6 ARGB devices. In terms of cooling support, the CPU cooler can accommodate up to 18 centimeters in height. There's plenty of space for the cooler, and the air guide allows external cool air to be directed straight in. As for fan support, the top fan bracket is removable. Just unscrew these two screws, and you can remove the fan bracket. This allows you to easily install fans or radiators outside of the case. The bracket supports 3 12cm fans, or 2 14cm fans. Unfortunately, the front I/O box blocks it. For a case this large, it's a shame you can't fit 3 14cm fans. It supports a 360mm radiator, or a slim 280mm radiator. One thing to keep in mind is that the maximum supported thickness for radiators and fans is 53mm. Due to the cable cover, you can install a radiator like the 44mm thick KP80 on the top. The front I/O offers the USB 3.0, a Gen 2 Type-C port, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. The buttons even have an orange ring around them. The Cougar FV270 features a bold design, with curved and irregularly cut glass, and specially designed airflow guides. It includes 3 14cm infinity mirror fans, back connect motherboard support, and comprehensive cable management. There's also a hub that supports 6 fans and RGB devices. The PSU cover panel is removable, and the expansion slot bracket is rotatable. With all these flagship-level specs and features, along with the extremely solid steel construction, I thought the price would be around $300 to $400, or at least $230. But surprisingly, it's priced at just $180. That truly exceeded my expectations. Lastly, in terms of add-ons, if you want to display your favorite figurines or statues, you can add this rotating display with lighting for an additional $19. The housing of the angled fan pops open with a press, making it easy to remove and access. You can see they use pogo pins, providing power and RGB signals to the fan and the rotating stand, eliminating the hassle of wiring. Just from these two features, you can see Cougar's thoughtful design. Once installed, it can display my friend. Alright, that concludes this introduction to the Cougar FV270. In the future, we plan to do DIY water cooling and modding in this case. Be sure to like and subscribe. Your likes and subscriptions help our channel continue to grow and thrive. We'll keep bringing you practical PC product unboxings and beautiful PC build content. Up next, we're rolling out a series of epic PC modding videos, so stay tuned. Your support is the driving force behind our creativity. We'll see you in the next video.